These grapes look so fresh.
Yeah, and the apples are perfect.
Oh, and look at those bananas.
Perfect, let's grab some.
Wow, these apples look so fresh today.
They really do, and the bananas are perfect.
I know, so glad we came. It's right there, top shelf.
Oh, I see it, thanks.
Grab that one.
Got it.
Perfect. Aisle 5?
Yes, right there.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Do we have everything?
Yep, got the cheese, we're good.
Great, let's go. Do you think that's enough cheese?
Yeah, it's plenty. We have the eggs, right?
Yep, all set. $4.99 for this?
Wow, mine's $6.99.
That's ridiculous. We should complain.
Yeah, let's find a manager.
$6 for cereal?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Let's get this one instead.
Good call.
I don't know, $6 is a lot.
But it's the one you like.
True, but Sweetos is cheaper.
All right, let's get that one.
Oh no, the juice!
Quick, get paper towels.
They're on the counter.
I'll get them.
Hurry, it's spreading. Oh no, the orange juice!
Wow, it's spreading fast.
Quick, get a towel!
On it. The organic juices are just down this way.
Oh, perfect, thank you.
Thanks for your help. No problem, right this way. The one you want is just down here.
Oh, great, thank you.
Right here. This one is very popular.
Ooh, gourmet chocolates. We have to get these.
Are they on the list?
They are now.
All right, let's go. It's not on the list.
So, it's gourmet,
We don't need it.
but I want it.
Fine, just one.
This place is always so busy.
Yeah, but at least the sun's out.
True, makes it feel better. I think we need some milk.
Yeah, and some cereal.
This place is busy today.
It is.
I'll just scan that for you. Sure, here you go. Great, it's approved. Thanks.
Card scan, thanks.
Great, thanks. Thanks so much. You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
We will.
Thanks, have a good one.
You're welcome. Take care. Ready to go?
Yep, let's go.
Bye now.
All right, see you later.
Bye. Drive safe. Hi. So glad you could make it.
Hey, of course, you too.
Let's head in. The others are waiting.
Sounds good.